Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. I'm here with Klaiyi Hair. Look good and feel great. So I do have their 13x4 lace frontal body wave wig. She is 24 inches. The density is 150%, and she's a highlighted blonde color. Let's just take a moment and admire the color. This color is super gorgeous, y'all. Super gorgeous. So I went in and plucked the hair. Like I said, it does come pre-plucked. This is optional. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put it on so you guys can see what she is giving us. And lace and guys, I meant she is giving, okay? Like I said, I'm falling in love with this brown color. So first I'm just gonna go in with some wax, and today I'm actually using a different wax. We're using the bedhead wax stick. I love this stuff as well. I kind of OD when I use wax sticks because I just love the laid look that wax gives the hair. So now I'm just going in with my hot comb, and we're just gonna go ahead and simmer that bad boy. Okay, we're gonna make sure every hair is laid down to the gods, and you know, we just want it flat.
The chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away.
All right, y'all, she's looking good. She is looking bomb. I don't care what nobody say, okay? So first we got to get rid of this lace. So I'm just going to take some shears and I'll create some jagged edges so we can remove the lace. You can leave a lot or a little bit on. I try to get pretty close to the lace. I believe this is an HD unit. So now I'm just going in with my Evan Supreme lace spray. I have been reaching for this a lot lately, and y'all know it's about to get warm. Spring is around the corner, so I need a lace adhesive that is going to keep me intact when I'm outside. So I tend to gravitate towards this spray a little bit more, but as you guys can see, I'm checking to see if it's tacky. Once it is tacky, we're gonna go ahead and lay it down in place. I try to mimic as much as I can your hairline as best as possible, so I don't want to just lay it straight across. So I try to like cut according to my hairline so it would look a little bit more natural just than me cutting straight across the lace, if that makes sense. So I use my comb as well to help me adhere the lace down and to help me press it into my forehead.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow.
All right, y'all, she is inspired, okay? So this is what it looks like before I tie it down. Of course, we're gonna go in with our edge scarf, and we're just gonna go ahead and make sure we layer down. I like to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So while we're waiting for that to melt, I want to go in and detangle the hair. Okay, y'all, she's giving, okay? She's looking really good. So now I'm just going to define the part by adding some cream foundation. I'll have that listed in the description section. Now we're going and getting into my favorite part, and it is the baby hairs. I love doing baby hairs, y'all. They look so good, and normally I stray away from doing it with colorful hair, but you know, I just do them anyway because I don't care. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And I'm also using a small flat iron as well to curl my hair today. So yeah, so we're going to cut some hair off. And like I said, I'm leaving a little bit of length to them. That way when I'm curling my baby hairs, I'm not burning myself, because I left them short in the past before and says burnt the heck out of my forehead. Like, no, ain't nobody got time for that. Y'all, who remembers how our mom used to do our hair like this? But it used to be in the center. I don't know. I was just thinking about that. I was like, I used to have like a little bang, and then your mom used to like just curl it up, and you just be walking around school looking a shit mess. But actually, back in those times, it was legit a style. So anyway, as y'all see, I'm trimming up the baby hairs a little bit more. Like I said, I'm trying to get with the big baby hair thing, but you know, it's only so much I like. So I did trim them up just a little bit, and I'm just creating a C shape and swooping them to the best of my liking.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way. Yeah, this was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow.
All right, so I am going to go in to the unit and cut some layers in the hair. I just want the hair to be a little bit more framed today. Normally, I like to leave the units as are and do, or as is, and do, you know, just minimal customization. But today I wanted to go all out. So as you guys can see, I'm cutting some layers into the unit. I'm not the best at this. I'm not a pro, okay? I'm just trying stuff. All right, guys, so I am going in with my Beyond the Zone Heat Protecting Spray and also my Strong Hairspray, and these two combo go hand in hand. I don't know what it is, but I love these two when using it on my hair. So like I said, I wanted to do some curls today, but some loose curls, so I just didn't want to, you know, you can leave the body waves that come into the unit as is, but like I said, I wanted some loose bombshell curls, so that is what we're doing. I actually picked up this new curling iron from Amazon Prime, and I'm obsessed. Okay, this T3 curling iron, baby, it is the business. Okay, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my entire hair. I feel like this unit is great. Y'all know spring is around the corner, like I said earlier. So I feel like this would be a good unit to step out there with, okay? Definitely. Now, I haven't washed or conditioned the hair or anything like that because I like to show you guys what the unit looks like straight out the pack. So as far as like shedding and tangling, this is my first install. So of course the shedding was minimal, and as far as tangling, I didn't get any tangling. Now this hair, y'all know when it comes down to colored hair, sometimes it can seem drying, but this hair was nice and soft and silky straight out the pack. So I didn't need a co-wash. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoy. She came out super cute, and look at it. This lace is a lace hunty, okay? Lace bomb, hair bomb, color bomb. I'm just obsessed, okay? All our information will be left down in the description section below. So yeah, until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.
So that's impressive, how much you're missing.